to my channel. If you always find yourself running out late for the door, then this video was made for you. I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do in under 5 minutes. They're all heatless and will make you look more polished. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel with the bell notification on so you'll never miss an upload. Without further ado, let us get started.
The first hairstyle is a high pony with a twist that will only take you less than 2 minutes. Start by dividing out a section of hair on one side and tie the rest of your hair into a high ponytail. Split the front section into 2 and twist them around each other. Make sure to direct your twist to the back so it will flow with the curve of your head. At this point, hold the twist with your ponytail before pulling out the hair tie. Once your twist is incorporated with the rest of your hair, secure everything together. Feel free to add a little hair bow, and that's it! This one is so simple. You only need a hair tie, and it's great if you're running late for school. This next hairstyle has a fairy vibe to it. Grab 2 small sections in the front and twist them away from your face. Join them in the back with a thin elastic. If your section is too thin, feel free to add some hair to it before tying it off like I'm doing it here. Once you have your section, flip your hair into the hole to get more of a twisted effect. From here, loop your section through the hole, but don't pull it all the way through. You're going to use your other hand to hold a part of it so it creates a bun. Continue looping your hair until you're at the end and pin your bun in place. If your hair is at least to your shoulder, definitely give this hairstyle a try since it only uses the top half of your hair. It's an elegant look if you're running late for a date. The third hairstyle is the faux braided pony that is so much easier to do than it looks. Start by dividing out a section of hair on each side going down the front of your ears. From where your eyebrows are, section off your crown with a thin elastic. Create a topsy tail by making a hole right in the middle of your ponytail and flip your hair into it to get a twist. Divide out 2 more sections from the side and tie them over your first ponytail. There should already be a hole in the middle, so flip your hair into the hole to get another twist. You can stop here if you have medium length hair, but if it's longer, go ahead and create a third twist with the remaining hair. Loosen everything so your twists will be closer together, and you're done! It looks like you braided your hair into a low pony, but all it took were 3 simple twists. This hairstyle is a good one if you're running late for work. This next look is a scarf braid. It's a cute way to dress up your hair. Start by dividing out 2 sections going down the front of your ears. Secure the rest of your hair away for now. Grab a square scarf and fold it into a triangle and then roll it into a long strip. Pull this over your head and tie it into a knot or a bow. I like to place this where my hair parting is. After you release your hair, you have yourself a scarf headband. This look is cute as is for short and medium hair. If you have longer hair, you can pull it to the side and braid it. Loosen up your braid for more volume, and this look is complete. This is probably my favorite hairstyle from this video because you can customize the scarf to match your outfit. This last hairstyle is an easy polished bun. Begin by pulling out some hair in the front to frame your face and tie the rest into a ponytail. Split this into 2 sections and twist them around each other. Hold the ends with one hand and use the other to pull the sides of the twist to give it some texture. Wrap this around in a circle to form a bun, making sure that your ends go underneath. Hold your bun tightly and secure it with a few bobby pins. And that's it! You have a neat bun that took less than 5 minutes. So that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed these hairstyles that will come in handy next time you're running late for an event. If you try any of these out, don't forget to wear them with a bright smile. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!